Hello and welcome to a new video. This is the first video from a series that I will call 2-Minute Wednesday. Basically, I'll try to cram a bit of information about Affinity or other softwares in just 2 minutes. What I discovered that week or what I've done, and I thought that is going to be interesting for you too as well. So let's start the timer and let's start our first video. Right, so I've generated this logo with AI. I'm not going to get into how I've done it, but there you go. We have an image here. As you can see, it's a PNG image. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of the background and I want to use this logo, but on a white color, right? So let's see how to do this. And we can go... First of all, that's so fast, select, we can go to tonal range and let's select the shadows. And now, as you can see, we have the marching ants here, selecting all my shadows. So basically everything that is black. From here, I'm gonna apply a mask and I'm gonna deselect. And to check if this worked, we can go to layer, add a new fill layer, and we can add a color to it. Let's say this. And we can move it under. So you can see this did a pretty good job. Being a low resolution, yeah. And because I want this to be white, what I can do here is click on my main image thumbnail. So not the mask, not the layer, just a thumbnail here. So we make sure that we work on the image and not the mask. And just hit Command or Control I to invert. Right, so what this did, basically inverted my image. The assistant rasterized the layer you previously had selected because it was not a raster layer. Okay, so yes, I hurried a bit. And I didn't rasterize my image, so it was a PNG instead of a pixel layer. But there you go. This is our logo. It's a white logo now. I can use it on dark surfaces. So for example, if I want to put it onto a t-shirt, I can put it into a t-shirt. And that's about it. Hopefully I didn't went over 2 minutes. If I did, sorry, I'm gonna cut it a bit, so it's going to be just 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to be part of this new series, the 2-Minute Wednesdays. Until next time, please take care of yourself and be safe. Bye bye.